don't come to you at this point. We haven't gone through security yet, but we had to show you. It's not like it's the weekend before Thanksgiving or anything. How long the security line is, which I've never seen in this airport before. But we have pre-check.
That was satisfying, wasn't it?
Terribly. Worked out quite swimmingly. Like, we don't normally travel on these crazy holiday weeks, right? Christmas tree cake.
We're gonna hold on right here.
Time to surf. Waiting for our breakfast. Updating the Disney app. But since we're here,
we have a small gift bag.
Smells, it's very strong smelling. Our Destination D23 badge, don't lose that. Do you remember those?
Yeah.
I tried to get you to buy them and you were like, no. And so I bought them.
And you're like, I'll buy them.
And I was like, you need some Christmas socks. So you get them back.
What did you say this was?
Very strong smelling.
Sparkling icicles?
Yeah. Like I tested it on my hand to see what it smelled like and I could smell nothing but it for like several hours.
I can't even smell.
Right there.
The shuttle will be departing momentarily for the main.
So pre-check is all the way down there. There's a tree, and I see Christmas in the store. Let's go! Look! So cute! So cute! Magic Kingdom. Wait, Hollywood Studios got the shaft. We're just walking down here like... Huh? Did it change? Oh, there it is. Hello! I'm assuming our luggage is down here. We're walking down here like we know what we're doing. It is. At least we're consistent. It's broke. So let's see. We had to be de-iced. We're flying to Atlanta. We arrived in Orlando before we ever landed. I got locked in the bathroom. And now the baggage carousel has
gone kaput.
Yeah. Quite loudly, I'd like to add. Alright, what we got? Jeep. Jeep. I mean, they're kind of cool looking, I'm not gonna lie. Jeep. Legit Jeep. Jeep. Mitsubishi. Volkswagen. Rogue. Is that RCX30? Jeep, 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 Jeep. Have a Jeep.
Want it again?
I mean,
It's better than a Jeep, right?
yeah, it wasn't the greatest thing ever.
What was the worst part about it?
Remember the emergency brake kept coming on and it beeped incessantly until you put your seatbelt on?
Oh yeah, that was kind of annoying.
So there's the Rogue,
Or there's the Blue Road.
which we had once before too.
Maybe not this one.
No.
Does it have
27,000?
stupid key fobs?
It does have 2 stupid key fobs. Ooh, it has a really stupid shifter.
It only has one key.
Oh. How many miles does it have?
A few more than it did last time.
It's got a jack-up sticker on there. Hello? Hello? How many miles do you have? Good morning. Is that all we get?
Apparently.
$27. This got leather. Let's get this one. I don't think this is, well,
It has leather seats and it was black and it was this thing.
yeah, it might be this
I
guy.
assume it is.
So it's got a stupid sticker here. There might be a couple scratches there. I don't know what that is. Let's see, let's see. It's had a life since we last had it, if this was ours. We should check the plate. This is the one I ran over the cone with.
Why?
This is the one I ran the cone over with. With Mom.
I don't remember that. Or I don't know how you remember it was this car, but I do remember that.
You get all the suitcases in there?
Only 3.
That's true.
We get the B sign here.
The B sign.
We went the other way to Disney Springs.
Take my money.
Lime Garage closed!
Disney, why do you do this to me every time?
Orange Garage it is.
Man. Ourselves a 50 Springs map? My goodness. What were we thinking?
We just weren't here after the first.
That's what I was thinking. Do we need to go to Disney Style since we're right here? It's been such a letdown.
It has been such a buzz lately.
But since we're right here, we might as well.
Okay.
Hey, look! Encanto. Haha, sorry. Is this the frozen tree? It is the frozen tree. Look at the carrots. Full of Olaf noses. And ice skates. Oh, carrots and ice skates.
And flowers and
Yep. Oh, look, there's a reindeer.
yeah, there's a stand up there.
Yeah. Cute.
Broken carrot.
No, somebody did it.
Atrocious.
Haven't seen those yet.
Oh.
That jacket's actually really cute. It's that whole Alice in Wonderland set. Meanwhile, I found another tree. Toy Story.
Yeah, but there's always a chance that they could score. So there's always a make it 1-1. They gotta watch 31.
Where do we want to go?
World of Disney. The Ganachery. Maybe Gideon's. They're literally right next to each other.
The you know, in Trendy, the tech place, what's that called?
Oh, the marketplace?
Yeah.
You can make us go all the way over there.
It's right next to
World of Disney?
World of Disney.
Sort of. Alright, we're finally going to the Ganachery. We have never been in here. Shame, shame on us.
Good morning, welcome to the Ganachery.
What do we got? Mike, look at the bag. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Gotta come early in the morning to get one, I guess.
Uh-oh. We might have some back there.
We do Surprisingly, today's a slow day though.
Oh, well, good.
Yeah.
Are you usually sold out by now?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, I have the 21.
Santa Mickey Pinata.
Dark chocolate sphere filled with marshmallows.
Peppermint bar. Look at him, he's so cute.
I know.
I don't need one.
Look at the,
Millennium
Look
Falcon.
at this matching. Okay.
it's got crispy pearls. Here you go, Zach. Buy yourself a tube of crispy pearls.
Not the
Dark chocolate, salted caramel,
White chocolate. That's it, yeah. You should get one. It doesn't say the ganache on
Have a
it.
wonderful day.
The tag does, yeah. Celebration box bundle.
Do they have one that has orange bird?
One chocolate box and one chocolate bar, yes.
63,
Milk chocolate with caramel.
Bye, Diana. Just a second. I forgot to get credit.
There's a Mickey top.
Just leave it. Yeah. Leave it.
Look.
Oh, there's the bag. Funny. Do you need one of those?
Thank you.
Why the heck not?
You gotta have some.
Get that.
You too.
We're gonna get this. Gonna get everything. Look at the little Mickeys.
They don't
They're so cute. It'd be like sad to eat them.
pop open, but it's fine.
There's the orange one. Well, what you got there?
Shit ton of ganache.
$65 worth of chocolate? Oh dear. Let's see what this Gideon line looks like. It's probably going to be too long, and considering I just bought $60 worth of chocolate.
Just so you can get a iced coffee.
Yeah, that's peanut butter cold brew. I was like, is there no line? Tricks. Yeah, there's definitely a line. Okay, we can forgo that this time around. We had Gideon's last time.
Alright, now I don't know which way to go.
Maybe that way? Maybe that way? We always get lost. We're looking at a map.
It's cool.
Haunted Mansion. It's got some books. And some stuff, and a creepy bride sitting in the middle of it. They went full creep on that. Oh, the clock.
Yeah, that's awesome.
That's cool. This is what I was trying to pull off. It's like a themed tree.
For your main tree or
No. You weren't there for that.
for your upstairs?
You got the cute Christmas displays. Bah humbug. It's got Donald on it. I freaking love it.
Yeah.
I love it. So, what are we gonna buy?
More chocolate.
More chocolate. I definitely have to have the little cocoa set. I was thinking about getting this for the tin. It's got peppermint bark in it.
It's very cute. Oh, and you can get a little sneak preview right here.
Oh, they're individually wrapped. Are they little Mickeys?
Yes.
Take my money, Disney. Take my money. Christmas cocoa popcorn. It's got marshmallows. Run away. Run away. She's got to draw the line somewhere. Look how cute. Oh, they have the glasses on.
That's why I said
Yeah,
triggered.
I'm triggered. I thought you meant just because it was Chip and Dale.
Why do I have an obsession with things that are so expensive around here?
You like those spirit
I
jerseys.
like them spirit jerseys.
Says the girl that put the frickin' $90 one in her cart.
I know.
It's a red spirit jersey.
I know.
But you kind of have a reddish one.
Right.
So is it worth $75 for a red one? Well, there's a yellow hoodie.
OMG.
He can't help himself. After he just bought another spirit jersey. Oh, they have the mug. Oh my God, take my money.
Is it pilly on purpose?
I know, it's very, is it just fuzz?
No, like I feel like they tried to make it so
Look
it looked
vintage?
vintagey, so they did pills.
Ugh.
I could fuzz shave those suckers off. It's at how like
Yeah, they did that on purpose. How much is it? 80?
60.
60. You do have that other sweatshirt, I'm just saying.
Which one?
The other Vault collection.
Oh, the one that I like completely.
I know. Lego Riviera.
Lego model of the Riviera.
That's awesome. Funny. What tree is this? It has a castle. It has an Epcot. It has a Skyliner. Hollywood Studios, Animal Kingdom. There's a monorail. It's the Disney parks. Oh, that was the Disney Plus tree. I'm like, that doesn't look like Disney Plus. That looks like Coco. That one's cool.
Yeah.
Look at all the guitars and
The
flowers and the pictures.
Nice.
Oh, that's so good. I like that one a lot. Italian beef and sausage combo. Big Italian beef.
Italian beef and sausage combo. Oh, might get that.
And the little Portillo's.
Yes, we is.
Adventure. No idea what we're ordering. Find out. It's a 15-minute drive to Animal Kingdom. It's a 15-minute drive to Animal Kingdom. We're eating on the run.
Ah.
Were you not recording?
Yeah.
Or you were? All the music.
Likes to start.
Chirp in at
So
all moments.
we're a few back in line.
Yeah, at least stuck a post-it note to our mirror, which looks like it's going to blow off, so that'll be interesting.
Yeah.
But I got what I always get, which is an Italian sausage sandwich, and you went all out.
I'm trying.
Both.
I couldn't decide if I wanted the sausage or the beef, so I got the sausage and the beef.
Kind of wish I would have gotten onion.
All right, we got our Portillo's.
And I'm hungry.
There's our cups.
We're eating on the run.
Yep.
To Animal Kingdom.
Here we go.
Woohoo! There's no. We made it! I got a mouthful of sausage! But we had to get the sign!
Lucky we got the camera out.
Zach is getting catch it by his shirt! Where are we going? Animal Kingdom. Oh, I can't go this way.
Oh my god. Walking and driving. Shh. Turn off the copyrighted music. You have to do the...
Yes, I
Because I don't have my magic band.
Animal Kingdom. Look at the pretty decorations. And the signs. And
We got the hiccups.
Kind of weird Animal Kingdom-y Christmas music.
Mother butler.
What? We have an umbrella. Oh, we did it. Oh well. Look at the sky. I mean, it's looking sketchy. Not super, like, come on. It's Florida.
Back there is pretty bad.
Yeah, see what I mean? We'll bring it, because then we won't need it.
Oh, that's how it works.
That's how it works. That's so big.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cute. My gosh. They go all out, I'm saying, you know? That's so awesome. They're flying the birds. There are all kinds of cute stuff up on the thing and everything. Oh, they're like little lanterns. Oh, adorbs. There's all the things walking around. They're very cool. You got a bird laying on your head. Hope they went up into their little cave. Come back! Come back, otters. There they are. Bloop, bloop, bloop. They're just playing around over there. They're so funny, they sound like birds. Hi, dude. Where's your buddies? Yep, still says 55. Yeah.
Guess what?
We got in line for Flight of Passage. It's posted 55, so even if it takes that long, we have time.
Due to the look of the line here, I don't think it's going to be that long.
Yeah, we came inside, and we just stopped right here. Like right after you put your mask
Right
on.
before the black light part.
Yeah. So it shouldn't be maybe 30 minutes. Maybe.
We'll see.
We should time check. What time
Okay.
is it?
It is 2:17.
3:17. I bought a penguin.
Very nice.
We looked at otters. You went to the bathroom.
Yeah.
The ornaments are sold out. Who's surprised? What else? Is that it?
Yeah.
That's it.
The other.
This is what happens when we wait in line. Oh no! He's so cute and cuddly. He does have like the detail on him. Like see, he's got there and he's got here. And he still says Animal Kingdom on his foot. It's so hard to see in this black light room. He needs a name. Obviously it won't be Bucket. We already have a Bucket. Bye.
We'll have one, baby.
Avatar program. Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikron, or as we call it, a Banshee. The way you're going to do this is by...
Your visor, stand on your numbers. Hi, how many? Please, your visor, stand on your numbers. Hi, guys, how many? You're on the second row, stand on your number, second row.
The way we showed you in the video. Then put on your flight visors. For your safety throughout this entire experience,
smells so
remain
good.
seated, lean forward, holding onto the hand grips, and supervise your children.
Para su seguridad, durante toda esta experiencia.
Speaking of resorts, pull out your phone. Look at your future plans.
Cover your mouth and nose when coughing and sneezing. Thank you for your cooperation.
You have Riviera booked at the same time as Pop Century.
So something came up yesterday.
Yeah.
It's the cheapest room you can get at the Riviera. It's the tower, whatever it is.
Yeah.
You should do some looking into it to see how you feel about it.
Okay.
We always catch the end of the bird show.
Goodbye, Animal Kingdom.
Short little visit.
Short little visit.
A little warm.
A little bit.
It was ice on our plane this morning and now we're sweating.
There was ice on our plane, yeah. Yeah, it said it was supposed to be 74. We said it feels more like 84. What's the car thermometer saying?
82.
82. There you go. Do you think it felt like 82?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
You know, are we gonna be fine?
I'm just glad that we feel like we have some time tomorrow night to do like something like that. Considering we can skip over the Encanto part of the sessions on the D23. Yep, be my first time on the Epcot monorail. See how long it actually takes.
No, maybe not.
That means we're almost
Magic
there.
Kingdom parking days.
Yep, gonna have to deal with your butt tonight.
Sorry, not sorry. This is for real, like, bucket list. You know, like when you think of Disney World and resorts, I feel like Contemporary is like the first one, at least it comes to my mind.
Oh, right. I can see the top of Space Mountain. Going to be riding that tonight for sure.
But next one here looks huge.
Yeah.
I guess because you only see like the inner part of the rooms.
Right.
Whereas you get the whole outside of the building on here.
Yeah, I guess that's probably what it
Not a real for scale.
is. And we're gonna go underwater. Yay! Lord, there's a sign!
I think we got it all. We're here.
Where the hell do we go?
I don't know. I love those lights. An all new check-in area over there. Hey, we found the elevators. I love these lights.
Part of the refresh, right?
Yeah, look, and there's like art down there.
We'll be coming back.
We gotta,
and checking
yeah.
out for sure.
Indeed. Oh, look at the elevator. It's got a monorail in it.
People in the morning.
The ninth floor. That side?
Holy moly.
This side.
What number are we?
I don't remember. Did you get a text?
Where is my other suitcase?
Did you leave it in the elevator? I'm gonna kill you. Let's try this again, shall we? Somebody freaking left the suitcase in the elevator. Luckily, the elevator didn't go anywhere. Holy moly. I've never been up here for obvious reasons. Oh my gosh. That's so cool. And the monorail's gonna buzz down there. Here we go. 4507. Hey. Hey.
Doesn't like that magic man.
Well, alright. We're in.
Finally.
Took a few tries, but we're in. Look at the pillows. Nice little drop spot right here. Big old couch, good grief. Wow. It's pretty big.
Uh-huh.
Spacious feeling.
More spacious feeling than in
Bay Lake Tower?
Lounge. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, a little bit. TV. Interesting. Is that the thermostat?
Yeah.
Yeah, thermostat. Got some lights here.
Bunch of luggage.
A bunch of luggage in the way. Bathroom, we got the shower.
Holy shower.
Look at the mirror.
That's awesome.
Yeah, holy shower.
Pooper room.
That's the only thing though, is that the shower is in the main bathroom.
Right.
Not in there.
Right.
Check art. That's hilarious.
That is. Look at how fancy pants.
I know. And where is my super suit?
I'm realizing that we don't have like a
Like
dresser type thing.
correct. There is no dresser. There's
some drawers
lots of
in here.
closet. Yeah, there. But yeah, they forgoed the dresser for the giant couch.
There's more dressers here.
We've got Incredibles on the curtains.
And the view.
And Bay Lake. Hey, that's the first one I haven't had to fight with.
Oh, there's bikes.
Oh look, there's Wilderness Lodge, and Epcot. Yeah, I know, right? A boat. Bay Lake Tower. Can't see Magic Kingdom at all, but that's okay. And a lot of concrete. And a pool. Man, I really want to get in that pool right now.
And we're slightly too far up.
We busted into our ganachery. We're trying the orange one. It's orangey. Have a look. It's ganache. They survived being in the car. Luckily, we had this cooler bag. It was still a little cold. Olaf still survived. We got our 50th stuff in there too.
That's pretty good.
It was delicious. But they're packaging my Lanta. We got this and we got this, and it's like this little like magnetic box and the thing and the. It's fancy smancy. Is this mine?
No.
Where'd mine go?
I don't know. I just carried this over here though. Over there.
There it is.
By your bed.
By my Edna Mode bed. No capes.
I got the frozen bed.
Let's see how, I was going to say, do we have time for a haul? I want to see how much red your other one is. Hey, that's the difference. That's black.
Right.
And that one's red.
Yeah.
Oh, and that one's got stripes on the arms too.
Yeah.
Come on, hold time.
Just a different, what's the word?
Style?
Motif.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's like way cranberry.
Yeah, it's Christmas already.
Ho ho ho. Yep.
Orange, red, white, black.
It doesn't really like, it's not, the difference isn't showing up as much on camera as
Yeah.
it is in real life.
And I got
The patches. And what was that? A gift card?
a Disney gift card.
But does it not have anything on it?
Enclosed gift card has no value until activated.
So they're just being like, give somebody a gift card. And we're giving you the gift card for free.
I feel cheated.
I might give you a gift card. You could give me a gift card.
Yeah, good. And then I had placemat envy.
He did, so he got the
I
placemat.
did.
I like the back better.
And
And
I got a third
that's so awesome.
to match my lunchbox.
I would legit use it. Put some hot chocolate in it and pour it.
is
It's Aladdin.
in Aladdin.
I know. Like, it's not just some janky
Legit.
China brand. It's Aladdin. Made in China brand. It's got the tiki room. It's so cute.
I know. Is that all I bought?
And the contemporary.
Yep, that's all I bought.
Ah, Kraken! Is that really all you bought?
Yeah.
Good God,
Your
man.
hole's a lot larger than
Okay, my
mine.
turn, my turn, my turn, my turn.
Okay. Where's the hole happening? You're gonna be backlit.
Oh no. Am I backlit?
Yes.
We already saw my penguin. He's so cute.
Mm-hmm.
Can I get in his mouth? Well, I can. Well, not really.
You can't really get in the mouth.
No.
I couldn't.
It's hard to do. But he's my really little buddy.
Well,
He's a little front heavy. They didn't have the ornaments, womp womp. I also got the thermos. And I got the license plate, which I'm actually going to put on my car. And I don't know, what is, oh, she put the art
Postcard
box. I was
and-
like, what did she give me the box about? Orange bird.
very cute.
Oh, my hair's probably a mess. Postcard pack, which we didn't even know what was in it, so let's pop this up and have a look. Maybe. Maybe.
Hello?
There we go. So there's that.
License plate.
Oh. Okay. That's a little weird. That's amazing.
Wow,
That's cute. That's cute. That's okay. Spoilers. Cute.
Just keeps
Very
on giving.
cute. And are these all postcards on the back? Yeah.
Nice.
How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. 10.
For
$10?
$19.99?
$9.99.
$9.99. Wow.
You having postcard envy?
No,
Yeah.
don't need them.
Alright, and I bought the little white mug. The milk glass. I don't want to.
You don't want to unwrap all that.
Sorry, guys. And then, oh, this is what I call that. I bought the pastry mat. Because, why not? And I got the charm. Excuse me. He's getting distracted. I got the charm advent calendar. So excited. There are 12. Yeah, 12. So I don't know when I'm gonna start that. Maybe the 12 days down to our next trip.
Oh boy.
I got the Christmas magic band, which I need to activate.
Yeah,
and
I
use
was gonna say
tonight.
you gotta activate that sucker.
I got the Cocoa Pack. Mickey, Minnie, and Dale. Randall. Poor Chip. He's had a rough go of it. I got these ears because they are preteen. You see what they've done with the tags?
No, jeez.
They've lost their minds. Oh yeah, and I got the keychain to Christmas up my backpack. We gotta remember to do that too. See, plain backpack. Christmas keychain. And we finally found the tiki room towel
Finally.
a year and a half later.
Yeah.
And if we didn't need more chocolate, we got the peppermint bark, which we got because they're little Mickey shapes. And
But the
Minnie.
tin is
It's
cute.
Mickey and Minnie.
Yeah.
We like the tin
It's very cute.
because it says from my holiday launch. So that'll last forever. And the sweater spirit jersey that I poo-pooed as soon as I saw it online, but when I saw it in person, I changed my mind. So cute. Runs big.
I was gonna say.
Normally buy a large, I bought a medium in that. And then out of nowhere, I found this tiki room bracelet. It's got the birds and a feather. Look how cute.
So obviously your favorite.
What?
I'm saying the bracelet is now your favorite because it's tiki room.
Yes, I love it. Goes with my nail.
Is that it? That's it.
And a gift card.
And
That doesn't actually have any money on it.
I'm just gonna give it to you.